So the atmosphere is really high energy, getting to meet people from all across the world.
Everybody's been very welcome, very open.
Everyone has also a diverse background on the professional activities or studies.
Which really gives this nice dynamic in the group assignments.
It wouldn't be just technical, just compliance.
And that really helps elevate your way of thinking during the whole course.
One of the top moments here was we had this game about breaches.
We actually could use the information and the knowledge that we gained the previous day in the game at that moment.
We visited Accenture in Amsterdam and Europol, which was definitely a highlight for me coming from a criminology perspective. It was really nice to get that kind of insight in a company that's usually so far away from anything that's obtainable.
And coming together, getting camaraderie and all playing beach volleyball together in the beautiful Hague beaches was definitely a memory I'm going to cherish for a long time.
What I will take away from this week is definitely to always be open to every aspect of cybersecurity.
For a law student, especially interested in digital rights law, it was a good impact to see how the technical aspect of all this is and how international it actually can be.
My advice for the future students would be just take this course, come as you are, don't worry too much. So you don't need to be a superhero in these topics, just come, take the knowledge.